Commercio.network's eID. What it is and how to use it for secure self-sovereign identity management. Welcome to Commercio Network. As businesses increasingly turn to blockchain technology for secure and efficient identity management solutions, Commercio.network offers a blockchain solution that enables self-sovereign identity management through its eID solution. By leveraging the power of the Cosmos network, Commercio.network provides businesses with a scalable and efficient blockchain solution that can easily integrate into their existing systems. With eID, businesses can ensure that their customers' personal information is secure and under their control, while also reducing the risk of identity fraud and unauthorized access. So, how can businesses use Commercio.network's eID for self-sovereign identity management? Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the platform and how they can benefit businesses. One of the main advantages of eID is its use of blockchain technology. By leveraging the Cosmos network, eID provides businesses with a secure and decentralized platform for self-sovereign identity management. The platform's decentralized architecture ensures that there is no single point of failure, making it more resilient to cyberattacks and other security threats. In addition to its secure architecture, eID also offers a range of features that can help businesses ensure the security of their customers' personal information. For example, eID uses end-to-end encryption to ensure that all personal information is encrypted during transmission and storage. This can help businesses protect their customers' personal information from unauthorized access and data breaches. eID also provides businesses with granular access control, allowing them to control who has access to their customers' personal information. Businesses can set permissions for each user, including who can view, edit, and share personal information. This can help businesses ensure that their customers' personal information is only accessible to authorized personnel, reducing the risk of data leaks and unauthorized access. Another advantage of eID is its ease of use. The platform's intuitive user interface makes it easy for businesses to manage their customers' identities. Businesses can easily add, verify, and revoke identities, as well as manage user permissions. This can help businesses streamline their identity management processes, saving time and increasing efficiency. Commercio.network's eID solution also provides businesses with compliance and legal validity. The platform solutions comply with relevant regulatory requirements, including the European Union's eIDAS regulation. This can provide businesses with peace of mind that their identity management is compliant with applicable regulations.